Hey everyone, hope you all are fine and doing good and you all are taking care in this pandemic. Yes, we are back again with the English online class and in English we are going to start with literature part. As you all know that in English we have two parts, one is literature and the other one is grammar. So in literature we have finished till chapter 6. Now we are going to start with chapter 7, and before starting a chapter, as per my guidelines, what you have to do is you have to hold a pencil, take the book in your hand, open this chapter, The Monkey and the Cats, and sit, and we have to repeat after me as I read, and you have to underline the difficult words. Okay? Yes. So we shall start now. Read aloud the heading. The Monkey and the Cats. There were two cats, Pussy and Kitty, that lived in an old woman's house. So, how many cats were there? There were two cats. And what was the name of the cats? The name of the cats were Pussy and Kitty. So, you will underline these two names. And where they lived? They lived in an old woman's house. Here you can see woman's house. ओके यू कैन सी हियर अपोस्ट्रोफी एस. ओके मीन्स उस औरत के घर में. ओके बहुत सारी औरतों के घर में नहीं, बहुत सारी औरतें मीन्स वुमेन्स अपोस्ट्रोफी के बिना. बट हियर यू कैन सी अपोस्ट्रोफी, सो इट मीन्स ओल्ड वुमेन के घर में. ओके सो बोथ द कैट्स लिव इन एन ओल्ड वुमेन्स हाउस. द ओल्ड वुमेन वॉज वेरी काइंड टू देम. So you will underline the word kind. Okay, and kind means caring. So the old woman was caring, taking care of the Pussy and Kitty, and she was feeding them, and she was not making them to go from their house. Okay, so she was very kind to them. But the two cats didn't behave well. So you will underline this whole line, didn't behave well. What does that mean? Didn't behave well means when we misbehave. Okay, she was very kind to the cats, but the cats were not kind and they were not behaving well. Okay, so they were very naughty and they were irritating that woman. They always quarreled with each other. So you will underline this word quarreled. Okay, quarreled means when we fight verbally. Okay, when we have an argument with some people, that is called an quarrel. Okay, you have to underline this word quarrel. One day they found a piece of cake. So one day what did they find? They find a piece of cake. Okay children, I am not talking here about PEACE. Okay, this piece means Shanti. So we are not talking here about this piece. Okay, so remember we are talking about PIECE. Piece. Piece means a part of the whole. मतलब कोई एक फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास एक टॉफ़ी है, अगर उसमें से आपने थोड़ा सा तोड़ के किसी को दे दिया, सो दैट टूटा हुआ पार्ट विल बी कॉल्ड अ पीस. ओके, अ पीस ऑफ केक. सो उनको क्या मिला? व्हाट डिड दे फाइंड? दे फाइंड अ पीस ऑफ केक. एंड अगेन दे हैड अ बिग क्वेरल. और फिर से एज पर द हैबिट दे अगेन हैड अ क्वेरल. पुसी, I found the piece of cake and showed it to you. You can't have it. It is mine, not yours. So Pussy, what did Pussy said to Kitty? She said that since I found the piece of cake and I showed it to you, so I will have the cake. Okay, it is mine. ये मेरा है and this is not yours. I will eat the whole cake. Then Kitty, what did Kitty says? Kitty, you saw it, but I ran and took it first, so it is mine. So what did Kitty says? Kitty says, but I ran as soon as I can and I found it in my hand, so this is mine. So Pussy says, no, it is mine and I will have it. Kitty, shall we go to our friend Montu the monkey? He will decide who should take the piece of cake. Then what did they say? Shall we go to our friend? And who was their friend? Montu. And who was Montu? A monkey. Yes, a monkey was the friend of two cats. So they decided to go to Montu, and they decided that Montu will tell us something good about the cake. Pussy, that's a good idea. Let's go. Pussy and Kitty tell Montu about the quarrel. Now look to your next page, that is page number 63. Now they have finally reached to their friend Montu. Montu, now stop your quarrel. Give me the piece of cake. I'll divide it into 2 equal parts. Here, I have made it into 2 parts. And what did the Montu says? He says that give me this piece of cake and I will divide in 2 parts. And one you will take and another you will take. Okay? Pussy, give me 1/2. Kitty, and give me the other. Montu, yes, but one piece seems larger. Let me eat a little from this half. Okay, then Pussy and Kitty, they are asking for the 2 pieces of cake. But Montu, he is saying that I think one piece seems larger. Seems, children, you will underline this word seems, and it means appear, APPEAR. Okay, appear, you can write on the top. Okay, seems means appear. So Montu says I think it is very large. One is large and one is small, so let me just make it equal. Okay, Kitty, don't eat anymore, give them to us. Then Kitty says, please don't eat, Montu, just give us. Montu, no, but the other piece seems larger now. Let me bite a little from this half too. Then Montu says, no, just wait, I'll eat and make it equal. Pussy, please leave something for us, we are very hungry. Then you will underline hungry. When Pussy is requesting her friend that please leave something for us and we are very hungry. Montu, now this piece looks larger. Then Montu is eating slowly the whole piece of cake. Kitty, but you are eating all of it. Pussy, will there be anything left for us at all? Then Montu is eating from the 2 halves again and again. Then Montu is very clever friend, and what is he doing? He is eating from both the 2 halves, and slowly he is eating the whole cake. Kitty, what's this? You have eaten up all the cake. Montu, I'm sorry, I could not divide it into 2 equal halves, so I had to eat it up. Pussy, that's not fair. Then children, you will underline into 2 equal halves. Okay, then not fair. Fair means equal, but here you can see not fair, so it means not equal. Okay, so they are asking their friend, they are very angry on their friend, and they are saying to Montu that Montu, this is not fair, you have done injustice to us. And slowly and cleverly, what you have done is you have eaten up all the cake. Now we are very hungry, we have nothing to eat. You are very bad, you are very cruel friend. And then Pussy says, that's not fair, you are not a true friend. That's not fair, and you are very dishonest friend. Kitty, Pussy, let's go, he is a cheat. Then you will underline cheat. Then cheat means dishonest, okay, who is not honest to you. The 2 cats had nothing to eat that day. The next day, they found some milk. Then that day, it went on like that because their friend had eaten up all the cake, and the next day came, and again, what did they find? They found they found some milk. And what did they do? They quarreled again. Let's see. They lapped it up together. Okay, you will underline this word, this whole line, and you will underline this word also, lapped, and it means when an animal is drinking water, the sound that comes up, that is called a lap. Okay, so they lapped up it together. That is important word, together. And finally, what did they do? Both of them lapped it together. Both of them drank the milk together. They did not quarrel, and they never quarreled again. So children, this was all about the monkey and the cats, and the moral of the story. I think you all have understood. You can tell to your parents what you have learned from this chapter. And from my side, the moral of the story is that when we quarrel with someone, when we quarrel even with our friend, the other person will not be in loss. The main person who is in loss, that is us. Okay, so to avoid this, we should not quarrel, and we will not gain anything by quarreling. Okay, so children, read this chapter, and when you find any difficulty, you can comment below, and you can ask me if you have any difficulty in understanding or any word or any paragraphs. Okay, so thank you for watching.